Yo, chicken.
Let's open it up. Open it up.
Fix the audio?
Open up.
What is y'all talking?
Wait.
What? Who can't race you? Henry. Why you talking about Henry? Why you talking about Henry though? Why you talking about Henry though? You race me. You talking about Henry? How about you race me, bro?
Let's race.
Let's race.
Found your bodyguard. I saw you race Woody.
Why you want to race?
I saw you race Woody. I saw you race Woody. I saw you race Woody.
Why don't you want to race me?
He's not faster than me.
Why don't you?
You fast. Woody's not faster than me. I bet you. Rudy is not faster than me. I saw you racing in China.
I raced Rudy in China?
Yeah.
When did I race Rudy in China?
I saw the stream, right?
We never raced in China.
I saw you
raced
race.
in Philippines.
Okay.
Philippines is
but
not
I saw
China.
him race you. I saw him race you.
Okay, so what's your point? What's your point?
Put your team on.
What?
I'll embarrass your team in my own country.
You embarrass my team in your own country?
Yes. I'll embarrass my team. I'll embarrass your team in my own country.
He think he can beat you in the race.
I'll embarrass your team in my own country.
Race speed.
Race me, man.
Right, let's race then.
Race me, come on. He want to come at my team. He want to come at my team. He want to come at my team. I don't know who this man think he is, bro. You win it, D. You will never win against me in the race. Come on, bro.
All right, Marks, get set. Ready? Let's go. Get ready. Get Marks. Get set. Okay. Open up. Come in.
All that. You talk all of that. You talk all of that, bro.
I told you about your team.
You talk all of that.
I told you about your team, man.
What?
I told you about your team.
Over now. I said me.
Henry, when you're on your team, I watch all your streams, man.
You lost, bro. You was talking all of that and you lost.
I told you about your team, though.